Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove center console Honda Accord 2014 full guide. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Remove loose items from the console and fold rear seats for access. Wear gloves to protect trim and keep a small container for hardware. Lay a towel to protect upholstery and place tools within reach for an efficient, safe removal process. In this video, I will explain how to remove center console Honda Accord 2014 full guide. First, shift to neutral and remove the shift knob and boot carefully. Unscrew the 10mm bolts securing the console and gently pry trim pieces using a plastic tool to avoid scratches. Work from rear to front, releasing clips evenly to prevent cracking. Label screws as you remove them to ease reassembly later. In this video, I will review how to remove center console Honda Accord 2014 full guide. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: on long wrenching days, try darn tough socks because a lifetime warranty keeps your feet comfortable through every job. I link the product and deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help reassemble center console Honda Accord 2014 full guide. Begin by reconnecting electrical plugs and testing each switch for proper function. Align the console and engage clips gently, then hand thread bolts to avoid cross-threading. Tighten hardware evenly and check gaps around trim for consistency. Replace broken clips and clean surfaces before final fitting to restore a factory appearance and secure operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.